Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here. How are you doing today? Welcome to my channel, and I hope you are ready to grove. Do you know what grove is? We're going to grove through Grove Collaborative. It is a, online store where you can buy clean cleaning products and clean baby products and clean beauty products. You can buy just about anything that you want there if you're trying to be eco-friendly and clean. And yes, I've been using Grove for several years and I highly recommend it. And I do have a link for a free starter kit, and you can get your first set absolutely free. If they charge anything at all, it may be shipping, which might be $4.95. But I'm not even sure if they charge you that. All I know is I have a link. You can check it out and you can find out why Grove is so popular. And it is popular because I don't have to lug this home. Once I go shopping, I don't have to go to the store and pick out this heavy laundry detergent and these other products that I may be purchasing. I can just have them sent to my home, and it's perfect. And it always comes in one of their boxes, and this one's a little heavy. It's Grove Collaborative, and they always write a little note, "The planet thanks you, Vicky." And yeah, that's my name. I'm Vicky, but I go by Miss Jackie Russell here. That is my nickname. And in this box, I did have to break into it. As you've seen, the lid was open, and I'll explain that in a minute. In the meantime, let's get all this wrapping paper out. Okay. The reason this box was heavy is because I have some cleaning products in here that I use for the laundry. But the first thing that I have, and I had to open up and get into the box, is I use their Pure Power dishwasher detergent packs. I think these run around $5.99. I'm not 100% sure. I'll have it up there. But I love these, and they're clean. They're extra strength. They're sustainably powerful for a healthy home. And you can see over here it's lemon and eucalyptus, and it's 100% natural fragrance. And there's 18 in here. And I like it. Washes my dishes just fine and dandy. The next item I'm pulling out of here is the Method Fabric Softener. This is a large bottle. It's 45 loads. It's HE friendly for those of you that have those top washers, which about these days almost everyone does. Or if you have to get a new one, it will be. But anyways, I love the scent of this. It smells like the beach, and I love a beachy scent. And with that, I have the laundry detergent, Beach Sage. I didn't need this. I had a full bottle and didn't realize it. So I ordered an extra one. So it'll be a while before you see the Method laundry detergent, because this lasts a long time. That's 66 loads. That's one little capful per load, so it's excellent, and you don't have to overload your laundry with detergent. My next item that I got, which I am in need of, is my hydrating hand soap, and this is in Bloom, Peony and Freesia. I'm going to smell it. Oh, that smells good. I've got a little puppy that's wanting to get down. I've got to get finished here, and I'm looking forward to using that. And I ordered me some Hello toothpaste. This is the anti-plaque and whitening. My husband uses this one, so I got that for him. And the last item in this package, I don't have any freebies in here. The only freebie that there could have been is this might have been free. That's one thing I forgot to tell you about Grove. To be a Grove, a VIP member, you get free shipping every month with a minimum order of $29, which is not hard to do, believe me, when you're buying cleaning products, baby products, cooking products. But if you want to just order something and you don't want to be a member of that, you can just pay $4.95 for shipping, which is excellent. And with the VIP membership, you get lots of freebies. You get a gift every quarter, and they're nice gifts too. I mean, they're not chinksy on that. And you also get some free samples a lot of times. I didn't get any in this shipment, But a lot of times that you do, and then they just have freebies every once in a while for no reason. I don't ever really understand some of that. This here is the Dr. Bronner's whole kernel virgin coconut oil, and I'm a big promoter of this, not because I know Dr. Bronner or anything, but coconut oil is very healthy for you. It can be good internally, externally. You can use it on your skin. You can put this on your dog's coat if he's having a skin irritation. This can be very good for the dog's coat, maybe even a cat. I'm not sure. I don't have any cats. But I just know that you can cook with this too. And you can use it at a high, heat oil. Like I make chicken fried steak and we use this oil right here that I'm holding. I pretty much use this oil for any reason, for cooking and or for medicinal purposes. You could put it like a teaspoon in your coffee, and it has, I can't remember, but there's benefits to that to help lower it helps with the fatty acid chains, and I can't think of what the name of those are right off the top of my head. But it can be a healthy way to get healthy fats into your system, because healthy fats actually burn fat. And, they don't make you fat necessarily like a lot of people think. If it's a healthy fat, that is. But anyways, I love this. It's about $11.99 a bottle. I use it, like I said, regularly for all my cooking. But that is all I have in my grove. It is empty. There's one little thing in here. And I guess they are promoting some basket for $100 off free delivery. If you have that in your area or you want to find out more about it, you can use that code. I do my own cooking, so I would never use that. Okay guys, well, that's all I have in Grove today. I just wanted to make this a quick little video just to remind you that they are a great place for shopping for all your essential needs. And as you can see, everything is plant-based. It's safe for your home, it's safe for your pets, it's safe for your children. It's powerful, brightens, and has nice fragrance in there. Soaps are 100% natural fragrance, so you're not getting any dyes or alcohol or any of that kind of stuff, drying agents on your hands. But and the Hello toothpaste, yeah, I'm a big fan of Hello toothpaste. That's all I have today. Be sure and look in the description for any giveaways that I might have going on. I have some collaborations. I also have some surprise giveaways in there. Be sure and check those out. And as for today, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.